love working out and I love trading the markets. And I thought of this video because I do like working out. For those of you that like to work out, maybe you can relate. We're updating the portfolios. And I want to show you this video real quick and how it relates to trading systems. And you'll identify with this if you work out. And it talks about plateauing in your workouts. And the same principle is applied to why we change our trading systems, adaptive system trading.
Results from traditional workout programs diminish over time because the more the body adapts to a routine, the less effective it becomes, a phenomena called the plateau effect. The P90X home fitness system uses the training science of muscle confusion. Over the course of 90 days, as your body changes, so do the workouts. By constantly introducing new moves and routines, every stage of P90X.
So I think you get the point, especially on that chart that at the very end, that where it shows the plateaus and the changes. And so the way they change the workout is similar to the way we change our strategies. And this is true in life and many things. You hear about this in the medical field as far as antibiotics losing their effectiveness over time, the more people that use them. And so I just wanted to relate that to the financial markets. We're coming up on the end of the quarter, and we'll be making some changes. Here's a screenshot of the workspace for the 100K portfolio update. And by the way, I love working out, and I do recommend that you stay in shape with a program like P90X or something else. So that's why I bring that up, because it's something else that I know that some of us can relate to. But here are some of the changes. We're removing 4 of the strategies and adding 7 strategies, and the we're adding VIX Swing, and it's a swing trade system. It has not traded in a while. We're looking at the money management algorithm version, but we're trading it. You'll have the base version as well, and so from that base version you can take trades if you want. It's more aggressive. I'll show you the base version here. Here is the base version, and you see all the trades it's been taking lately. So a lot of nice pullbacks, and so we are trading the money management algorithm version in the portfolio. So exhaust and reverse was added at the beginning of March. Cobra CT5 beat even the S&P. Money management algorithm version, we're adding Cobra Bonds 2. Gold Flash, this is a strategy that we added in February. It has not taken a single trade yet in March, but we still like the strategy and we're adding it. And SR Counter Trend Silver almost hit its profit target today. So it came near its profit target up here at the highs. It has not hit it yet. It's very similar. It's a more aggressive version to SR Counter Trend Gold, and we talked about this earlier this week, and it's taken 2 trades this week, and this one has been profitable, and this one is on a profitable trade. We'll see how that turns out. That is SR Counter Trend Silver and Gap Fill Brent Crude. Gap Fill and reverses have not generated a lot of trades the past couple of weeks, as well as crude oil after hours. And Gap Fill and reverse Euro currency money management algorithm version. That is a strategy from the book. And then soybean swing. We remove soybean meal, but we keep soybean swing. And you see that strategy result there. And we continue to keep crude oil after hours, crude oil weekly inventories. It cut half of its losses on the month yesterday by taking this trade. Hit its profit target right at the close on the weekly inventories report. And it could trade again today. We'll see what happens. Natural gas could cause crude oil to move because of the natural gas inventories report. And Gap Fill Fade Crude, Gap Fill in reverse from the book, has not taken a trade since March the 17th. And so it's been quiet, and crude oil has crept higher. As I anticipated this market to not take this dip that it's taken, but I am still bullish. It is hard to short crude oil. We've seen that on the inventories report. The previous weeks when we try to short it, it just stays buoyant, and so I favor the long side intraday especially. Gap Fill in reverse. Here's some of the most recent trades, some winners and losers along the way, and Tick Pulse. And you see this, we're long here. It's interesting to note how they're trying to keep this market quiet. The ticks stayed very low until it's made about a 10-point move, and then they go up. But they're working hard. They work hard to generate the initial trend without trying to detect it on any trading system radar. And so we're going to take a look at some strategies um, that will buy the market if there's not a sell signal. Because what they're doing here is they're trying to keep any buy signals from being generated. You see low volume, you see low ranges, um, low ticks, and so you basically have to buy on the slightest of pullbacks. You have to buy on a sell signal, which is what exhaust and reverse kind of does. But we didn't even get much of a sell signal today. So one of the things you might consider doing in your system development that I'm going to be looking at is to buy the market if there's not a sell signal. Instead of waiting for a buy signal to buy the market if there's not a sell signal. And so um, here's our core 5 strategies. They're all flat today, not generating many signals, very narrow ranges, and market's very quiet. I anticipate the summer to pick up. The market in decade or 15 years ago used to be very move a lot. The market would move a lot in the at the beginning of the year, January through April or May, and then it would get quiet in the summer. And those roles have kind of reversed in recent years, where you see quiet times at the very beginning of the year, and then volatility picks up in the summer. So we'll see that. We could potentially see that. Also, one of the things to consider is the market has made most of its money. The stock market has made most of its money from October through May, and then there's the sell in May and go away. And so it can be especially difficult to short the market between October and May. So, in May, from May through August or September, that seasonal effect of less buying could generate more selling and more volatility in the markets. And so that's the update on the updates that we're going to be seeing out. If you have the 100K portfolio, we'll be updating those. We don't have any changes yet for the 25K or 50K. We're sticking with that. But if you have the 100K or the $1 million portfolio, those are the updates. And I hope you enjoyed the P90X analogy. And let me know if you have any questions.